Sevilla 1, Arsenal 2. We did what Real Madrid couldn't do. We are superior. We're amazing. We are fantastico at the Estadio Sanchez Roman Pejon Stadium. Roman Sanchez Pejon Stadium. Back to front. We're about 10 cervezas down. Anyway, we won the game. Beating Sevilla ain't for everyone. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. Our side. It ain't easy. Yeah, ask Man United fans. Man, ain't easy beating Sevilla away, mate. They got pammed 3-0, and we done them 2-1. We got out of jail tonight. I can't lie. It weren't easy. It weren't easy. And let me just tell you right now, that was their manager's second game in charge. Yeah, second. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Stinkers all across the park. Halloween has come early. It has come early. I thought it was the 31st. It's now gone midnight in Spain, and we're on the 25th. Yeah, ghost settings. Oddie Ghost. Hooked again. Hooked again. Before we get into the fan cam, big up everyone who watched the watch-along. The chat was lit. Big up to everybody who subscribed to the channel. We are literally 16 subs away from 88k. All this negative and toxicity and twerking for rivals. Yeah, good one. Anyway, if you like real chat, happy days. This is the place for you. If you want to be a toppest of top gooner, this probably ain't the channel for you. Yeah, and cry more because we don't care. We'll be back again on Saturday. Big up to Matty and Ola. Lee reacts. I'll be doing a Dortmund Newcastle or Newcastle Dortmund watch along on there tomorrow. I'll be back on here with James. Hey, Sadio Mane. Yeah, why are you laughing? I'm being serious. Anyway, let's get into the fan cam. Yeah, we see the starting 11. And we're sat there like, wow, Jorginho again. Cool. Well, this the C-Tech Bart Simpson got dropped. Yep, thank you. Big up AirPod Albooks. We know you watch the streams, mate. Yeah, he was giving it all of that twice in the game to Arteta. Yo, Gunnar, Matty, and Ola are fuming, bruv. No más. No pasa nada. Calma, tranquilo. Yeah, calma. Yeah, calma. Yeah. Chuleta, pork chop in Spanish. Yeah, pork chop, chuleta. Yeah, tú eres una chuleta. Yeah, you are a pork chop, mate. Yeah, and I'll tell you something now. There was a lot of pork chops on that pitch tonight. Yeah, big up Kenny. Kenny's coming up next. So is Matty, and then we're doing player ratings. But that was a poor performance, man. Honestly, poor performances all over the park. All over the park. Tomiyasu, man of the match. Start that guy every game. We've got rid of my left back. Yeah, my left back plays for Real Sociedad this season. Yeah, now the C-Tech Bart Simpson, all of a sudden, oh, the fan base, oh, yes, maybe he's not that good anymore. But you said he inverted. You said he inverted. And that was a big thing. Oh, my God. Zinchenks, he inverts. This fan base, man. Seriously. Poor performances all over the park. Would Raya start? Would Ramsdale be in goal? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is not... Oh, wow. Yeah, let's be real. That first half was shocking. One absolute moment of brilliance from Gabby Jesus. Cruyff turning. Yeah, in the centre circle in our half. 49th minute. 4 minutes of stoppage time. Gabby Jesus, take a boo, son. Take a boo. Big up Andy Gray. Take a boo, son. Gabby Martinelli finished it like we've seen him finish it at Stamford Bridge. The only difference was he didn't do that. Yeah, bad boy. Bad boy. Gabby Jesus, fair play to you, mate. Second half, I'm like, cool. Got away with that in the first half. The toppest of top gooners, all the mutants out there, are all thinking we dominated the first half. What were they watching? I swear I watch a different game to these people. Yeah, I swear I watch a different game to these people. Yeah, like, it's crazy. We were getting cooked. Oddie Ghost, where you at, bruv? Where you at? Where you at? Where's our captain? Our leader? Oh, I get goosebumps leading the team out. Yeah, under the lights at the carpet. North London forever. I sing it under my breath. Yeah, good one, mate. Last time I see you, you were signing a contract 22nd of September. 22nd of September. Last time I see you. You have been absolutely, I'm not going to swear, you have been absolutely ghost settings all season. All season. Oh, but Lee, yeah, he scored 3 goals in the league. And what? And what? Yeah, I said it yesterday. Yeah, on my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Lee GX82 Twitter. Go and follow me. Link's in the description, I think. And if it ain't, I'll put it there. Yeah. James Maddison is everything top gooners think Martin Odegaard is. I have never seen an Arsenal captain get subbed so much. Patrick Vieira, Tony Adams, Cesc Fabregas, RVP. All of these captains we've had over the years. Thierry Henry at one. Were they all getting subbed? No. No. Why? Why? Mostly, some of these have got a statue outside the ground. This guy is not the guy. When the temperature gets turned up, this guy disappears. Jorginho, shocking. Ben White got sent back to his barbers at one point. Odegaard sent back to Gibraltar Rock. He's waving at me. Yeah, embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. And I'll tell you something now, yeah, Bukayo Saka was a stinker as well. Declan Rice, shocking performance again. Got better the longer the game went on, but for 70 minutes of that game, mate, you were absolutely rubbish. Yeah, rubbish. Yeah. Only 2 players that can walk off of that pitch today for me and say they had a good game. Yeah, and people are going to cry in the comments. We don't care. I don't care. I'm back here again on Saturday after Gibraltar Odegaard turns up against Sheffield United, because of course he's going to against Sheffield United and Burnley in the next couple of games at home. Yeah, let's see if he turned up at Newcastle. Oh, but Lee turned up at Newcastle last year. And what? And what? Yeah, this guy ain't the guy, mate. He ain't the guy. Yeah, walking around the pitch, sheeping the referee. It was so reminiscent. His performance tonight was reminiscent of Dry Havertz, yeah, against Brentford in the League Cup. Sheeping the ref. What are you doing, mate? Sheeping the ref. What's going on here? That manager, oh my days. Diego Alonso, that was his second game in charge. What phase is he in, mate? Because he's played Real Madrid and nicked a draw, and he should have probably nicked a draw tonight. 2 moments of brilliance from Gabby Jesus won us that game. Tomiyasu, man of the match. Yeah, without him at defence, if we had that C-Tech Bart Simpson politician wannabe absolute waster at left back, we would have lost that game tonight. So credit to Arteta, because he realised he ain't good enough anymore. Yeah, we then bring Eddie on. Eddie, what are you gonna do? Like, real talk, what are you gonna do, bro? Eddie, Kivior, bro, your wife's more famous for twerking than you are for playing football. Like, come on. Yeah. What's happened to Fabio Vieira? The super sub. Yeah, bro, I swear down. Yeah. Fair play, we nicked a win tonight. Well done. It weren't a great game. David Raya was horrible again tonight. Yeah, horrible again tonight. Yeah, not great. The backline was disgusting at times. But beating Sevilla away is not easy. Yeah, it ain't easy. I need to learn how to say that in Spanish. Yeah, easy is fácil. Yeah, it ain't easy. I do know how to say it. Yeah, we're not doing it now. But anyway, yeah, by the time we do play ratings, I know what it is. All right, but anyway, yeah, that was not a great performance tonight, and we've got a win. We're top of the group because PSV managed to somehow nick a win against Lens, a draw, against Lens, which we couldn't do, and it was at Lens, but PSV could. Yeah, this is going to get unstripped and unraveled real quick. Yeah, we are absolutely winging it. Yeah, and it's only a matter of time before this implodes in front of our very eyes. So when anyone wants to come for me, oh, just be happy. Just be happy we won the game. We've only lost one game all season. Same idiots that said, just be happy we're top of the league. Call this out now. Call it for what it is. We are not good. We're getting away with it. We are getting away with it. Yeah, call it out now. Because when it implodes, you idiots that are never in my chat after giving it the talking the hardest and all that. Yeah, big up Gigs. Yeah, talking the hardest. None of you lot are in my chat. Yeah, when it all goes sideways, Pete Tong and Wonky and that. Yeah, right. So call it out now. Oh, you're so negative. No, I'm not negative, mate. I see the bigger picture. Yeah, I see the bigger picture. Looks like Jesus is now injured. Looks like he done his hamstring. Yeah, fair play. He took Saka off. Cool. Maybe he is learning. Yeah, but come on. Seriously, anyone who thinks that was a great performance and is giving the super fans will be giving superstar performances tonight, 8-7s and all of that. No, that was not great, but they're not great. They're 13th in the league for a reason. Yeah, and they've been down in that bottom half of the table for over a year. Don't let the Europa League fool you. Yeah, that was a third manager, new bounce. They then sacked him after 8 games. They got more standards than Arsenal. Yeah, but we're out of here. Listen, we'll be back against Sheffield. Not great. Tommy Asu, well done, mate. Yeah, Jesus, 2 bits of magic. Yeah, that weren't great. That was not great. Why is Jesus marking their centre half? Why ain't our centre half marking their centre half? Yeah, there's a lot of questions. Where's the set piece coach? Oh, we got a new set piece coach. He's great. Yeah, really? How comes our set pieces are dead and we concede off set pieces? Come on. This is mad. Yeah, Declan Rice. Cool, you got good towards the end of the game. Rice, Odegaard, Jorginho, ain't happening. Rice, Odegaard, Havertz, Rice, Odegaard, Vieira, ain't happening. Yeah, wake up, people. Smell the coffee. Yeah, smell the coffee. Yeah, come on. 65 M's on him. Wow. Yeah, but I'm more worried about our captain. This guy, the PR puppet, the PR merchant. Oh, I get goosebumps. No, you don't. Yeah, we're out of here. Adios. Kenny, Matty, and player ratings laters.